So firstly, I'll open Ctrl Engine Manager. This opens up a dialog in the system tray that's used to manage Ctrl Engine processes. After I press start, I have to give Windows admin rights to run the process, and after this, I'll reopen the manager in the system tray. We can see it spinning up the engine processes. From here we can restart or stop the engine. Note that quitting manager isn't the same as stopping the engine process. Inside settings, I can set Ctrl Engine to auto start on system boot, and can change the port of the web server for viewing the engine on the local network. We'll head to the localhost page and log into the system. This video assumes you're working with a pre-licensed system that's already been configured. Head over to our channel for more licensing videos. Firstly, I'll head to the system page. This gives a snapshot of what your hardware is doing live. We've got processor load, controls processes, the device the system's running on, its processor information, and the active network interfaces. Next, we've got the console. As I've already got a workspace running on this engine, you can see OSC and TCP inputs are defined and are initializing. The console is a great tool for diagnosing complex processes and workspaces. Next, we've got licenses. I've installed a default license. This features 10 entities and one player interface. We can stack licenses to scale up for more functionality and remove them for smaller projects. The Preferences menu allows the theme of the engine to be set based on your user preference. We support light and dark for different environments. Language will be configurable in future, and you can also use this to modify the password. Under Settings, you can modify the global engine settings. You can rename the engine, give it a location, set the time reference. Using the local time server the engine is running on is often the best case for this. For example, the time of the PC. Default theme and languages can also be set for all users here. The Admin tab allows us to modify the details of the account we're on, so the admin in this case. The Users tab can be used to allow access to technicians to either be viewers or administrators of the engine. This is useful for technicians to log in to access workspaces, to download shadow copies, and check logs. Note that this isn't the same as defining a user within a workspace to view a control interface. This is specifically for the engine. ControlNet is our internal protocol used to transfer data between each element of the ctrlsuite system. In this tab you can set the engine incidents to be discoverable over the network. We can also enable debug mode here too. Finally, we have the system menu. This gives version and build information alongside the working path where you can find the workspace files. We'll head back to the workspace that's currently active. On the left, we can see all nodes inside the workspace. On the right, we have the project settings and shadow copies alongside any other engines linked as part of the workspace. We can trigger the actions directly from the engine, and by navigating between the connectivity tabs, we can see the route defined for each device. If we go back to the Workspaces tab, you can see we can archive older workspaces or make specific ones live. It's worth noting that only one workspace can run at a time on any given engine. To create a workspace to run on Ctrl Engine, create them and sync them using Control Designer.